Yo, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do another video on the WRX. We are going to do 5 things that I love about my Subaru WRX. This isn't about every Subaru, or WRX I should say. This is just about the one that I have currently, the one that you have seen in the video, or the last video. If you haven't checked that one out, go check it out. It introduces the car and shows you everything about it. But here are 5 things that I love about my Subaru. First thing that I love about my WRX is the look of it. Okay, it's very, very, generic of me saying this and putting this in my top 5. But to me, the narrow body doesn't get the recognition that it deserves. If you guys don't know, this body style or this generation, it's from 2000 and I want to say 8 to 2014. But 2008 to 2010, it was this body style of the narrow body is what they call it. And then 2011 to 2014 was the wide body version. Don't get me wrong, love the wide body version. Looks great, would love to have one eventually. But in my opinion, I love the narrow body too. It gets so much hate because of it being the narrow body and there being a wide body version of it out there. But I like it. It looks good. It's not too aggressive, but still aggressive enough. And it's just, it doesn't overdo anything. It just looks good to me. The second thing I love about my WRX is the interior. So this is, if I remember correctly, the limited version of it. There's the base, premium, and limited, I believe. So this one has the heated leather seats. Obviously, it's not the STI model, which is fine. I mean, it would be nice to have one, but not huge deal. Yes, interior is still dirty. I'm sorry. I will clean it, I promise. But I love the interior. It is heated leather seats. It's got these nice WRX seats that have the stitching here. Looks so good. I think they're comfortable. They kind of grab you, and you're kind of just, planted in the seat when you're driving it. The shifter, I love it. It's got a short throw shifter with a weighted shift knob. It's awesome. I love, love, love the interior of this car. The third thing I love about the car is the blow-off valve. Now, again, this is a very generic thing, but this is what I love about mine, not everyone else's. I know you can get blow-off valves, that's whatever. I love this one. The GFB, it sounds so good. It's not too aggressive, but it's aggressive enough to where it just sounds so good. It's got that nice little where you can hear it breathing in and then it just releases and it sounds amazing, in my opinion. That to me is one of my favorite things about it, and that is my third thing that I love about this car. Fourth thing that I love about this car are these taillights. I did not put them on. My buddy did when I bought it before I bought it from him. He got them. But these are the LED taillights that are on it, and I absolutely love the way they look. I love them. They're bright, they look good, they're all blacked out, so it looks good with the white body. And they really make the back of the car pop, in my opinion. I mean, look at that. They look great. I personally absolutely love them, and will never be changing those because they just look way too good, in my opinion. And of course, the fifth thing that I love about my Subaru, about my WRX, is of course the exhaust. I love the sound of this car. This car sounds so good. The Subaru Rumble is one of my favorite sounds ever. To me, it is one of the best sounds you can hear from a car. Yes, there are other good ones, don't get me wrong, but it is one of my favorite ones ever. I've always wanted one since I was a kid, and now that I have one and I drive one daily, I never get sick of it, ever. It never gets old. Love the way it sounds. It is the Nvidia Exhaust with a high flow cat. It has an aftermarket Nvidia downpipe, and it has the Tomei Headers, unequal length, of course. That's how you get that Subaru rumble. But to me, my favorite thing about this car is that exhaust and the way it sounds. And again, I'll insert a clip of how it sounds, and let me know what you guys think. I don't know. To me, that rumble, one of the best things I have heard on a car. Again, there's obviously other cars that sound amazing, but that Subaru rumble is it's just an iconic sound. You know that it's a Subaru when you hear that rumble. But yeah, that is 5 things that I love about my WRX. Thank you guys for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you guys next time.